Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Facebook page stories private and prevent others from sharing them, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to stop people from sharing your page stories on the Facebook app using your PC. This guide is based on the newest Facebook update, so you'll have the most current instructions. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your computer. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your page's profile photo. Click on it. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open up all the settings related to your page. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down and find the section labeled Stories. Click on it to access all the settings related to your page stories. Within the Stories settings, look for the option that says Allow others to share your public stories to their own story. By default, this might be turned on, which means anyone can share your public stories to their own Facebook story. To prevent this, simply disable the toggle next to this setting. Once you turn it off, other users will no longer be able to share your page stories to their own stories. This gives you more control over your content and helps protect your page's privacy. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've updated your settings and stopped others from sharing your page stories on Facebook. Remember, keeping your content secure is important, especially if you want to maintain control over how your stories are shared. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tips on managing your social media. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.